guys got to do is once you guys tag it on, hook it. As you guys are getting it maneuvered, it's 60 degrees on the 60 right here. That's what you guys do, but you guys got to have all that equalized. So that's why we got these little spreaders tagged in it.
Yeah.
And that's what you'll use right here. 20 is away over here. 120, so 2 of those is what it is. And I'm gonna go get the drill bit that we need to set this. But pretty much at the beginning, you guys are just flying. Anthony knows what to do.
Okay.
You guys got a minute anyway before everything starts going. And you guys got to remember how to strap it, because I don't remember how we had to strap.
He said we have a minute, so if you guys need help, let me know.
What? 5:30. Y 5:30. You tiene, cabrón. It's gonna be a little bit bigger as we go down because the pipe's pulled up. As long as you're same on both sides. You got that little blower?
Got the GoPro. To get Anthony.
Let's
just capture Anthony working.
Trying to get
it's hard.
You gotta record.
You guys interfere. What are you talking about?
Where's that little safety loop on there? On that bluey? You guys on this side?
Right on top. Right. How's your stomach doing today?
Better. I ate another half of that pepper last night though, so got better a little bit. Fucking around with that pepper. This side. Try to. I can't really lay down on this side to see how far you could get.
I told the guys
We didn't dig enough deep enough available.
That's alright, girl.
Remember I was gonna go in there, so I told you not that big, bro. I told these guys, they all
You didn't say shit, Kyle.
Oh, you're like, shut up, Kyle.
I'd never say that. I would never talk to you like that. You didn't say shit, Kyle.
We got GoPro on there, so they'll watch your language.
Shut the hell up.
Pop it in. Your hand in it.
Don't move. Shit, right now.
10.
That's what she said. Pussy bueno.
Pussy bueno.
It's coming arriba a little bit. Okay.
this way. Perfect. Let's break this one this way.
On the box, I put -1. Got it. That's still one. I put -1.
That's alright. I told him this morning, hey, why'd you have those guys? Oh, we don't fucking need those. God damn it, dude.
Shit, bro.
You don't need them right now is the problem. $1,500 worth of fucking bolts yesterday.
I think you got them backwards.
What?
Oh.
What are you talking about? Fucking Guile, don't
Guile.
fuck with me today.
Not in the mood.
Not in the mood. Not today, Kyle. Too early.
Milky coat profile.
Oh, yeah. Where's that extra one at, Kyle? What? The extra bolt? No, I need one from here.
My little pigs.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
So then we have
Sorry,
to hold
Kyle.
on the tightening, right?
What's up?
We have to hold on.
Oh, yeah, Bradley, hold on.
What?
We're missing another one over here.
Yeah,
Shut up.
Swear.
Shut the fuck up.
where? Right here.
Why didn't you always say nothing?
I just seen it right now.
I didn't know it.
Put my finger through. I'm like, why am I fingering this?
Shut the fuck up, really? Ah!
Juice.
Cut that fucker in half, I'll weld it back down. Shit me. We gotta come apart again, really? You guys aren't fucking around?
No.
Just fuck around with me for once.
Sorry, bro.
Might be able to
I let
get
you
it.
down. Unless I put it like in an angle, then
Try to get
fucking
that shit.
Get that shit in.
We'll restart like,
Yeah.
we'll get a big
Might just
model.
have to pump this in just a little bit to get it at the angle from here.
That's fine.
You know what I mean?
No, he didn't get a bolt in. Have that Jacinto?
Will you hand me that red Jacinto, please? Por favor. Look up. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, brother.
Sure, boy. Can't believe you did that.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Put -2 on it.
Write down -4 just in case.
Right?
Go ahead, like an angle up. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Sounds like you're getting progress
Yes,
on
sir.
that.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir. I say yes, sir.
I want to double check underneath to make sure there's nothing missing underneath. Just to make sure.
Nah, we're good.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
That was a peachy wet on.
That was a mistake.
Another place I was like, there's a burrito shop, dude, and you just go there and they have it like buffet style. Fuck, dude, I get the Alphonse floor, just load that bitch down and like big ass burrito for like $11. But like, it's those places like nothing else compares, you know.
Oh! Safety first. And now just take it out halfway and then put it back on.
Got tape on you?
Yeah.
He told you what to do with these, right?
Yeah, he says 3/4 gap in between the pipes on this side and on the other side.
That's what they called out for, but if it doesn't work, just let me know, okay?
Okay.
Best to leave it on.
Ah,
Leave it on. When you pass out and they have to rescue, it's easier than trying to put you in one.
alright. Yeah. put my flashlight on. Right now you're at 3 inches. Okay, so right now we're doing prep work for the 48-inch pipe. We got the plastic wrap, the wax tape, the grease. Now we just need gloves. I already bought the stuff ready to have ready for the pipe. We just need the gloves.
What?
I got the wax tape, the
Rodney's got to weld it all. It's going to be open for a couple days.
There's none of that right now.
Alrighty.
Alrighty.